Hey there mga atin kuys, KS here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will react to Sarah Geronimo and Bamboo's performance of the song Treading Water, kanilang original to, sa ASAP last Sunday. And this reaction video was requested by our ats Estradita Anasco. Thank you for commenting. And ito na, gagana natin ang iyong request at panoorin natin yung kanilang performance sa ASAP. So this is after few months na kinanta nila sa kanilang concert yung sa Araneta when they first sang it, yung Treading Water. So tara, panoorin natin. So it's another Sarah G specials, no? Mga pang ilang ano na to ni Sarah, original niya na sa Sarah G specials. Si Bamboo talaga, no? Kapag may narinig siyang music, it's like natural for his body to move. Ganon siya ka into music. Ganon yung tama ng musika sa katawan niya. Nakita niyo yun? Kita niyo yan?
I woke up, I see you. Yeah. That raise me, lift me up. That's all you better wait till my case. Maybe we can hide away just for the day. We got the whole world stuck on rain tonight. Lean on me. I woke up.
Dito sa first part kasi si Bamboo lang talaga yan. Tapos narinig nyo si Sarah doon lang siya sa Lean on Me sumali. And parang hindi sa studio lang sila nagpe-perform, no? Energy talaga ni Coach Bamboo. Grabe.
I see you. Darling, I've been broken without you. I'm still counting every second that you're not here. I'm not myself. I'm just treading water.
Grabe. Alam nyo ba na si Coach Bamboo nagsulat ito? Siguro doon sa mga diehard fans, alam nila. At doon sa mga bago lang, yes, Coach Bamboo wrote this song. Binanggit ni Sarah sa concert nila. And part to ng kanilang setlist sa Ashbu Local Tours. So kaya sa mga hindi pa nakakanood and you want this song to be heard live, you can still catch the dates for Pampanga on Sunday, October 29, and on November 24 sa Laguna. There's Sarah G. Beautiful Sarah G.
I woke up, I ain't cool, I'm in the mood. Oh, just show me down, said I do. But it's
Diba? May kakaiba sa boses niya. Kayang-kaya niyang paglaruan yung boses niya na hindi magtutunog na sa gantong genre lang pwede yung boses niya. Kaya niyang magtunog international ba? Yung tunugan sa labas ng bansa. Ganun eh. Ganun yung mga attitude dito na pinapakita ni Ate Sarah natin eh. At Sarah.
down, said I do. But it's on you to face the world today. I don't need to play that card, I'm just on that. We got the whole world stuck on rain delay.
Yeah, kaya masaya maging fan ni Sarah eh. Kasi ang dami niyang kayang i-offer sa music. Diba pag naririnig mo siya, hindi ka maboboring talaga kasi hindi lang siya basta ito lang. Hindi siya hindi siya na-box sa isang genre lang, sa isang way of singing. Ang dami niyang binibigay sa atin. Kaya nakakatuwa dahil kung gusto mo ng medyo fast song, ito, meron siya niyan. Kung gusto mo ng medyo malungkot, jazzy, di ba? Meron din eh. Grabe.
I kinda blue, but I feel you. I feel you. Darling, I've been broken without you. I'm still counting every second when you're not here. I'm not myself. I'm just treading water. Darling, I know I've done you wrong. I can't help myself. I need that shoulder. I don't baby. Without you, I'm gone. Just treading water. I didn't know what.
Ano bang masasabi natin dito? Parang dahil siguro nakailang kanta na rin sila nito. Mas gamay na mas napaglalaroan pa, mas comparing kasi doon sa unang beses nila kinanta. Iba na yung dating niya ngayon. Mas hindi ko alam, baka dahil una kasi nilang nire-release yung song sa Araneta. Even to the audience, diba? Hindi pa masyado siya nag-stuck. Kahit sa akin, honestly, hindi siya masyadong tumatak. Pero hindi yung melody. Pero now, na napakinggan ko to, nakakasabay na nga ako eh. Ganun na yung feels niya. Siyempre pag napapakinggan mo din, di ba?
Wanted to say, how do you carry that weight of what didn't know what only wanted to say, how do you carry that
Yan umarap na naman si Bounce na iwan siya sa asal likod.
weight of what didn't know what only wanted to say, how do you carry that weight of what didn't know what only wanted to say, how do you carry that weight, darling? I've been broken without you. I'm still counting every second when you're not here. I'm not.
Galing guys, nung si Bamboo ito, nagsasalita siya, sinasabi niya yung lyrics ng kanta. While at the same time, Sarah G on the side, naghaham na ang ganda-ganda. Sobrang ganda pakinggan. Sobrang nagko-compliment silang dalawa yung boses nila.
Myself, I'm just treading water, darling.
Yun!
I know I've done you wrong. I can't help myself. I need that shoulder to cry on, baby. Without you,
Hey!
I'm gone, just treading water. Got the whole world still going like that.
Yeah!
Got the whole world still going like that. Why don't you lean on me?
Grabe na nung pag-angat nung kanta na part naman ni Sarah, no? It's her time naman. Yung highlights ng boss niya lalabas na doon sa song. Yes, lumakas yung instrumental, tumaas yung mga notes, pero hindi nagbago na kailangan natin mag-adjust kasi maiingayan tayo. Hindi ganun. Talagang Sarah G played it well. Alam niya na pag magtataas siya ng note, ng boses, kailangan pleasant pa rin sa tenga. Siguro sa mga nakakanood ng reaction video ko lagi sinasabing pleasant kasi it's that singing eh. Ganun dapat di ba? Kailangan pa din ng tenga natin, hindi sasakit sa pakikinig sa mga singers, sa mga artists.
I've seen better days, never knew what kind of soul, and through your eyes, I can see everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
Thank you very much.
Woo! Alright. Grabe, no? Yan na lang. Ang lupit ng Treading Water. English song no? Written by one and only Bamboo Manyalak. Galing. Guys, marami pang mga English song si Coach Bamboo na talagang ganda. Kasi baka yung iba hindi pa nila na-explore yung ganong side ni Bamboo na akala nila more on rock songs lang ang Coach Bamboo natin. No, marami siya. You can check his album, yung Bless This Mess. Sobrang ganda ng album na yun. So, ayun. Ano pa masasabi natin? Sobrang happy natin with this performance nila sa ASAP. And Sarah G's voice is back, no? Hindi na siya, sana magtuloy-tuloy sa kanyang tour sa Pampanga and sa Laguna. Though Laguna is next month pa naman. Pero in a few days, November na rin naman eh. Okay, so maglo-long weekend. So ingat kayo mga asin kuys lagi. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to. Bye-bye!